In this video, I'm going to show you guys to fix the iOS 14 battery drain as much as possible. So let's get started right away. So in the new iOS 14 update, some people are, well, not some, but a lot of people actually are experiencing a lot of battery drain. So their phone is dying really fast and stuff like that. So that is a problem in the iOS 14 update. So the first fix is, of course, when there is a new iOS 14 update, immediately try to update it, because it might fix all the problems. And but yeah, if it's still not out, maybe you just have to wait for it. And then I'm going to show you guys what you can do besides updating your phone. So the first thing what you can always do is just open up the sort of like this menu thing, and you can have the low power mode turned on for all time. So turn it on all days. This will spare your battery too, so you can just turn it on or off if you want to. Then there is another option. So first of all, Apple has made an article about this, and they say the best option is resetting factory resetting your phone. So what that means is that you basically lose factory reset your phone to the point where you basically just got it out of the box. So you will lose all your files and apps and stuff like that. But you can back that up. You can easily find videos on that, how to do it. But basically, once you've backed up all your your stuff, you basically want to go to the reset tab in the general, and then click on erase all content and settings, and then you can factory reset your phone. What you can also do is leave the low power mode on at all time. So right there, I have it on this quick menu, and if you turn that on, your phone will also die. Not die as fast as before. And then there is also two other options you can choose to fix it, and that is basically go to notifications, and there are certain apps that will send you notifications a lot of times. So let's say, for example, Clash of Clans, and you can basically turn off all the notifications of those apps you don't want notifications from, because it will suck up a little bit of battery. But if all your apps do that, it can maybe suck a pretty big amount of battery from your phone. So maybe it's nice, if you have a lot of apps, to just turn a couple notifications from apps off. And then the last one you can do, if you go to privacy settings, then at the top it says location services, and these are all the apps that will use your location, and you can turn that off as well, because this might drain your battery a lot too. So I hope these methods can fix your battery drain. And as I said before, when there's a new iOS 14 update, make sure to update it immediately, because that might fix all your problems. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.